What's going on, guys? Welcome back again. Dropping another Squarebody video here. So yes, exhaust is done. She's got the pipes, she's got the tips. Get under here real quick. But it's just stock manifolds to stock pipe all the way to where muffler used to be, and then I had the guy weld up 2.5-inch pipe up and over the tailpipes to the 4-inch tips, 18-inch long. So she's Trudel straight pipe 454. There's got 4x18s. Here's it back here. Ooh. But unfortunately, we've got to address an issue. Truck runs and drives okay, but it's not great. Got it to the muffler shop, started, ran, got it on the trailer, off the trailer, got it back. But once I went to go drive it off the trailer, it didn't want to drive very well. It just fell on its face after I would just punch the gas. So I couldn't go over 5-10 miles an hour without it just not going anywhere and wanting to die. So I think the carburetor was no bueno. I know with these Quadrajets, they are very finicky if you really don't know what you're doing. To be honest, I don't. So ordered a new one. I found a place online called Guaranteed Carburetors. Read some good reviews on everything, so it just showed up. So got a new base plate and all this wrapping. But here's the new Quadrajet, and they say they bench test and everything, so should be good to go, and everything looks really nice. So get all this off of here and put that new guy on and see how she runs, and I'll give y'all some exhaust clips, but gotta get this on first. So gets to it. Alright, now we need to prime this old girl. Ain't got no fancy squirter, but got a little laundry detergent. So poor. Well, that ain't working. Oh, there it goes. Fill the bowl here. Should fire right up. All right, let's see what happens. That squealing, that alternator probably needs to get replaced. Alright, so unfortunately, not gonna be able to do a full exhaust video for y'all. I will give y'all start up and a couple revs, but I'll show you my issues. And that's driving on these. There's a crack all the way around this bad girl. She dry rotted around the bead there. These are some old school Cooper radial STTs, 9.5 by 16.5. So these are ready to go pops. What do they call them? May pops. And this one back here has been on a couple old trucks, so it's dry rotted and cracked, and this one's coming apart, so it may pop pretty soon. So I don't feel very safe driving it down the road, getting it up to speed for y'all. That way y'all can get the real raw sound of this thing with the wrap offs and the shifts and the down pops going a certain mile an hour and stuff. So I gotta order a tire for it. Need to order tires. I do got a few other parts back here for it, which is gonna fix the grill and the headlights and everything there. Gotta order a few more parts, but once I get the tires, wheels painted, and the hubcaps maybe refreshed and painted up, I'm gonna do a full exhaust video for y'all. But I'll set you up and give you a little snippet of how she's gonna sound. So. Let me set y'all up real quick. Alright, now let's go. Forgot to hook up the vacuum for the brake booster because that brake was not working. Whoop! You're on my phone. Sorry, guys. Shows we're charging, but I don't know if we really were or not. Horsepower. Don't know if y'all can hear them pops or not, but this thing is loud. just got back from a Christmas party and I realized I didn't even do an outro on this video. So, but hopefully y'all like the new carburetor and a little bit of the snip pick of the exhaust. Obviously, like I said in the video, we're gonna order tires, get the whole front end replaced, and then I will send this truck off down the road pretty good. That way I can get y'all some good sound clips of this thing, because this thing just takes you right back to the 80s and 90s of just old country music and straight pipes. So hope you like it. Stay tuned, like, subscribe, and then there'll be plenty more Squarebody content coming for y'all. So Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Peace.